Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to make watermelon kiwi popsicle, a dessert for a perfect sunny day. So first here I am having my chopped up watermelon without the seeds. Now I'll be adding these into my blender, making them into a juice. If you feel your watermelon is not so sweet, add some sugar at this stage. Next we'll be straining it with our strainer and then adding about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now it's time to assemble. So here I am having my chopped up kiwis. I chopped up 2 kiwis into really tiny bits. So next here I'm having my popsicle molds. So I'll be adding my watermelon juice in the bottom and in middle a few chunks of kiwi and again watermelon juice on top, so that my kiwi chunks are there all over when I eat my popsicle. If you're not having a popsicle mold, not at all a problem. You can also use paper cups, normal glasses, and even eat it with a spoon. The taste is always similar, nothing changes much except the appearance. Freeze this for a minimum of 6 hours, or you can also freeze this overnight. And that's it. Here we have our watermelon kiwi popsicles ready to enjoy on a super sunny day. Hope that all of you enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also, you can add chunks of apple and grapes even if you want to, and that is completely optional, but watermelon and kiwi make a great pair. Thank you. Bye bye.